Hi there. Welcome back to Growth Engineering, a platform that we say is an intersection between engineering and marketing, and where data becomes your competitive advantage. In the last episode, we brought in OpenAI into our workflow in order to generate personalized messaging based on leads history. It's now time to bring in Gmail to deliver mails automatically to our leads. This is the final stage of our workflow. So let's dive in.
As usual, we head back to make.com. And at this point, we want to add a Gmail module since we're using Gmail, or I'm using Gmail. We could integrate any mail service provider or any we could integrate any mail service provider of your choice, like Mailchimp, HubSpot, Klaviyo, and so on. But I'm using Gmail, so click on Gmail. We select the send email action, and now it's time to connect our email to the flow. Click on this and sign into my Gmail account. Continue, and I think continue. All right, so we connected Gmail to the OpenAI module, so we get a bit. And the next thing is to map the email. So we scroll down to the fields from Airtable. So the email should be mapped to the email field on Airtable. All right, so that's where the email should be sent to. Address number 2, no, that's just one to go back. And then the subject. Let's just say hi and put the name of the lead. So we also scroll down to Airtable fields and click on name. Yeah, we'll add the name. And let's just say your free, excuse me, your free download link is available. All right, let's just say that. And then for content, this is where it becomes very tricky. For content, we need to map the OpenAI generated content. So we're not typing in the content, but rather we map it. So what we're going to do, that's the subject. Okay, that's for the subject available. Okay, so for content, OpenAI, we're not mapping it to Airtable, we're mapping it to OpenAI fields. So at this point, you click on message. So you click on choices field. You expand the choices field. Also locate messages and expand on the messages field, and then click on content. So at this point, the email will be generated using the OpenAI connection. So it's choice, message, content. Very key, don't forget, choice, message, content. I will click on save, so we have that route with history router set up. So we had to read without history. Same process. Sorry. Click search for Gmail. Send email function or action. Connect your Gmail account. What I should mention here is that if you have a company email Gmail account, which is a paid account, then you could follow the same process that I have. But if you're using the free Gmail account, it has a different walkthrough altogether. I won't be able to cover that in the course of this video, but I think I can also create another video to show you how to connect your free Gmail account to the workflow. So at this point, we click on recipient and as well map it to the Airtable email field. Subject, we want to introduce the name, so we still map it as well to the name. from edible to be sure. And then we could say to welcome to Eureka Labs. All right. And then for content, just like what we did, we go to message, we expand on message, so we expand on choices, expand on message, and then click on expand on message, and click on content. So at this point, we have the workflow fully set up, and we'll be testing in the next video.
This completes or is the final step in our AI-powered autoresponder. In the next video, we will test every module after module to be sure that there is a seamless connection between each node, from lead capture to intelligence analysis to personalized response and also real-time delivery. Now, here is a valuable advice. Always add personalization to the email subject line. It is the easiest way to get or to boost open rate and also get your message seen. Now, don't forget to take advantage of our free growth engineering starter kit. It's free, a compilation of valuable resources that will get you started in no time. And also, we have our AI-powered autoresponder starter kit, which you can simply download the files, import into make.com, do a bit of configuration, and you're up and running in less than an hour. Don't miss it. Now, don't forget, this is growth engineering, where we just don't talk growth, we build it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.